Hi, welcome to Once Upon a Fold. Look at this beautiful rose. Would you like to make it yourself? Stay with me. As we fold, I will share a story about breaking and becoming. It all began as a fragile square of paper. Every fold demanded patience. Every extra push could have torn it apart. We are the same under weight of routines, work, and the quiet ache of stress and loneliness. Some days, nothing seems in its place. Rumi said, "These too shall pass." No feeling is final. Even the darkest moment move on. Maybe today is heavy, but impermanence means hope. This moment isn't the end of the story. When you first look at the plain sheet, it's hard to believe it could ever become a rose. Life feels like that too. At the beginning, the destination seems impossibly far. But step by step, fold by fold, a path appears where there was none. Slowly you realize something important. If you align your hands with your mind, the paper stops resisting. It softens, it bends. It's almost like a clay in your hands. Life softens in the same way when we meet it without force. When we replace hurry with attention and pressure with presence. Some days are only about continuing, even when the outcome is still hidden. There are moments you will think you are getting it wrong. Mornings when you wake up and feel everything is coming apart. But if you don't quit, if you keep going quietly, notice the small fragments of light along the way and trust yourself. You will see the cracks and the pressure were part of the shape, not the end of it. Rumi also said, the wound on your soul is not to hurt you, but to open a window toward the light. Maybe the meaning of today isn't heroic. Maybe it is a single fold. A small step, a simple act of being faithful to what comes next. We also live with a hidden hunger, loneliness. It's a signal that we need something vital, connection. So, if you are folding this rose, don't fold it alone. Think of someone, send a picture, give the rose away. Such a small act of reaching out might be fresh air for someone. And remember, the little things are not little. One careful crease, one kind word, one steady look that says, "I'm still here." These are the gestures that hold us together when life feels hard. If right now you feel like you're breaking, let this paper remind you. Every crease, opened and closed with patience, becomes a petal. The marks aren't flaws, they are the memory of the path. And when your rose is complete, pause and tell yourself, I can too. Slowly, trustfully, and with meaning, grow into something beautiful and create beauty around me. If this spoke to you, stay for the next fold. Let's keep making and keep becoming.